What's the meaning of bereaved? Bereaved. Bereaved.
Bereaved. Bereaved. The term bereaved refers to the state of having experienced the death of a loved one. It is usually used in reference to those who are mourning the loss of someone close to them, such as a family member or friend. In this context, bereavement can be an intense and difficult emotional experience that can take a toll on one's mental health. It can manifest in a variety of ways, from feelings of sadness and despair to physical symptoms like insomnia or loss of appetite. Ultimately, the process of grieving and coming to terms with loss is unique to each individual and may take time and support from others to navigate.